Hey, hello guys, Brian back with the Fetch.ai token update, and we're going to go over some things here today. And number one thing is, can this thing realistically hit a $10 price tag? Okay, I'm going to show you. We're going to break it down by the market cap and do some numbers, and we're going to find out. All right, and first of all, we're going to go over these charts real quick, and we're going to show you them. Right now we are up 0.79% as I make this video at 0.3465 cents. We had a high today at 0.3509. Bitcoin broke out at $29,000 finally. It's back testing it right now, and it's looking fantastic. So let's take a look at this chart first. All right, number one, we finished out this ABC pattern we were talking about. Okay, we came down, we finished that out. We were talking about this while it was on its way down. We finally hit that target down here, and we hit that perfectly. Now we're starting on our way back up here. Okay, a 5-wave up, and I'm going to point this out to you here. Okay, now this could be one of two things. With the 5 waves, we could be counting this one of two ways. Almost looks like this is the way it's working out. Okay, 3, 4 would be your biggest, and would have one more 5-wave up here. It's hard to say if it'll bust through the 35.76 or not, but it looks like we have one more wave up before we have a ABC correction up here. Okay, or the number one option looks like the most likely to me. Okay, or this would be a 3 here, a 4, and a 5. Okay, so we'll just have to see how this plays out, but the RSIs are kind of looking like it's the first one, like we're on our 5th wave up now. If you look at this 1 hour relative strength index down here at the bottom, it's at the top. The 2 hour is at the top, the 4 hour is at the top, the 8 is on its way up, and the 12 is just, about a third of the way up, which makes me think it might have one more wave in it. But look at that daily. That daily is absolutely beautiful. That's where you want to see it. That's where Bitcoin's is at right now, just turning up. So that's our next 4, 5, 6 days worth of price action. That's what you want to see for some price movement. So things are looking fine with Fetch as far as these charts look. We just had a run up here. We needed that ABC correction, and we got it, and we're starting on our way up now. We have 2 daily green candles, so we'll keep an eye on this thing. And I want to show you Bitcoin real quick, because Bitcoin is super important to this market. Bitcoin went up, it's on this one here, and hit the price target I had for it today. It went up there. Look at that big green candle. Gotta love seeing that on Bitcoin. It went up and hit that price range I had for it. I have another alarm set up for it in case it gets up past that, but this thing is looking great. Look at that daily RSI down at the bottom. Alright, that thing's just turning up. It's looking fantastic. It looks like it might be due for a correction here. If we break this Bitcoin down on the hourly here, now this looks like it has another wave up. Okay, you'd have 1, 2, your 3rd would be your longest. Okay, your 4th would be your biggest pullback, and it looks like it has another wave up here yet. So I'll be keeping an eye on that. And none of this is financial advice, guys. Please don't go out wagering your money on this stuff. Find someone qualified for that. I just show you what I see in the charts, and give you my ideas of what's going on here. But in my opinion, Bitcoin is looking fantastic. It has fought to break out of this 29,000. You can see the rejection. It just kept getting rejected, and finally, I've been calling this for like a week now, we finally got out of there. Okay, so let's look at the top 100 here, and if you haven't yet, guys, please hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate it so very much. And there's a link. It's been in there for a couple weeks now in the description of the video. It's for KuCoin. They sent me a thing. Any subscribers of the channel, if you use that link, you get 20% off of any trading fees. So if that's something you're interested in, you can go ahead and check it out. you get that immediately by using that link in the description. So here's your coins for the day. You can see all the green out there, not a whole lot of red. If we, or I'm sorry, that is for the hour. That's fantastic actually, because the last video I did, there was a lot more red out there. Here is for the, this is the daily right there, okay? And for the hourly, that's really good to see. Looks like the minor corrections, some of them might be over, so, but the daily is right there. And we're going to get to that $10 thing here in a second, okay? The Crypto Fear and Greed Index, the market cap is up 2.22% over 24 hours. Volume is up 29.2% over 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance is up to 44.8, and we are at a 62 for the Crypto Fear and Greed indicator. We were at a 61 yesterday. And here's your top 100 coins from CoinMarketCap, top gainers and top losers. And you can see through here, everything is looking pretty good, okay? Definitely. I mean, your smallest gainer out of the top 100 is up 2.28%. So, yeah, everything is looking fantastic here. Now, let's get back over to there to Fetch, and let me show you this. If we could get to $10 or not, okay? First off, we're going to look at the market cap. The market cap is actually very small, $284 million. All right, that ranks number 130 on CoinMarketCap. The fully diluted market cap, that's if every single coin was out there in distribution, would be $400 million. The total supply of this coin is only 1,152,000,000. That's small. In crypto, you put it this way, Cardano has I think 40 billion. XRP has a maximum supply of 100 billion. So 1 billion coins is not that much at all. There's 818 million circulating right now, okay? So if we take our calculator, all right, let's get this out here, and take 0.3471, we would roughly have to do a 30x, and that would get us to $10.41, okay, to do a 30x from where we're at now. All right, $10.41. So if we take this market cap, 284,236,752 times 30 will give us a market cap of $8,527,000,000. $8 billion, okay? So let's go over to CoinMarketCap here and take a look at the top coins. All right, we have, let's look for one similar here with a similar market cap of 8 billion. There's Solana. No, we don't want to use that one. There's Polkadot, 7 billion. Okay, it has 1,175,000,000 coins. Pretty similar right there. Okay, so the 7.3 billion right here, that would be very similar to that. Okay, now Polkadot went up to $6.25. Polkadot also had an all-time high of let's take a look here. Show more. Polkadot had an all-time high of $55. Okay, so this thing really went up and skyrocketed. So we would have to hit the market cap. Whoops, I apologize. There we go. Reloaded. We would have to hit the market cap roughly of Polkadot, roughly the same amount of coins, and in a bull run, that would be and it's not financial advice at all, folks, but in a bull run, that would be pretty easy for this thing to do that. Okay, so we would take that 284, yeah, 8.5 billion, and that's a piece of cake. Okay, now let's get back real quick because I really wanted to get it as close as I could to that 8.5. There's 8. Even at 10, Polygon has 9 billion coins. Okay, and Polygon went to $3 and something. That's going to hit $10, I'm sure. You know, so we could compare it to Polkadot. We're off about $1 billion there, short, but the circulating supply is very close. Okay, so this thing, it absolutely has the potential. It could probably go higher than that. Not financial advice at all, but I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing hit 15 bucks. Who knows? Maybe even 20. You never know in the crypto market. It can get insane, and for it to do that, it would have to have a what is it? A $16 billion market cap. 8.5, 17 billion. Okay, so let's just check that out real quick. $17 billion. Okay, there's Cardano's 13. Then you got XRP at 26. Okay, so it would have to be 17 to hit 20. Even at 15 bucks, it would be around 13 billion. It would be the market cap of Cardano now, and Cardano's market cap was what was it? About 8 times bigger than that. So it was close to $100 billion. Yeah. Fetch, in my opinion, would have no problem hitting 10 to 15 bucks. So yeah, absolutely. So that's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope that gave you some confidence. If you hold Fetch, the sky's the limit here with this thing. I really truly believe that. So please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you guys here every day, and thank you so much for watching the video.